I'm Megan Swing, a PhD candidate in the Department of Earth Sciences at the University of Toronto and the Royal Ontario Museum in Ontario, Canada. I've always had a passion for geology, but my supervisor, Dr. Kim Tate, provided me with the exciting opportunity to study Martian meteorites, which are fragments of Mars' crust that have been ejected from the surface of Mars and then landed on Earth. As Mars remains one of our primary candidates in the search for life, an important feature of a habitable planet is its atmosphere, which is involved in the cycling of important elements through other biogeochemical spheres. Now, with the use of correlative, high-resolution techniques and the help of experts in their field here at EMSL, our study is exploring sulfur isotope ratios at the nanoscopic scale in 3 unique Martian meteorites, including this one here. These nanoscale analyses will allow us to identify and better understand the chemistry, structures, textures, and mineral associations observed in ancient Martian sulfide minerals and sulfides that have been altered by impact shock. We can then better understand the types of signatures that are indicative of the Martian atmosphere or even surficial material becoming trapped in sulfides as they undergo shock metamorphism. This research will also be valuable when samples collected by the Perseverance mission are returned to Earth in the 2030s. It will be the first chance to directly compare signatures from meteorites to material that has come directly from Mars. And we need the methodology in place to do these correlative studies on these samples, as every grain will be precious.